Hey hello friends, welcome to PayUp Studio. This is Bhubalan. Today we're going to talk about medical expenses, especially when you want to have a baby in the United States of America. Probably you might be having these two questions like how much does it cost you to have a baby in USA with insurance, and how can I save or plan the medical insurance. These are the two most important questions asked in internet. So this video may help you to take your decision wisely. Before that, this is my personal experience in the year of 2020 Irving, Texas. This video will not guarantee the existence of same life insurance policy discussed in this video. The amount discussed here will be based on hospital, area, clinic and doctor. Please check with the respective insurance and service provider before making any assumption. Totally, we have visited the office 14 times. Again, it's based on the various scenario of mom and baby. The intervals are 1 visit per month up to 8 months, 2 weeks one in 9th month, and once in a week in last month, that's a 10th month. So office visits cost us around $450, and the various tests during those days cost us around $450. Besides this, there will be 2 ultrasound scanning to test baby's body development, one at 3rd month and another one is 5th month. It cost us around $1,200. And usual baby position ultrasound scanning has happened within our clinic that cost us $300. So the total cost before we going for the labor and delivery is $2,401. So on delivery day, here is a list of expenses you can expect. First one is a doctor fees. So doctor fees is vary based on the different scenarios. For us, it's a normal delivery, so the doctor cost us only $2,000. Next one is anesthesia. Anesthesia will play the big role on your billing part. So for us, they cost us $1,700. Next one is hospital bill. This will play the major role on your bill. Actually, for us, the hospital bill is $8,524 for 48 hours. There are some insurance provider may deny your hospital bill. In that case, please ask your hospital to resubmit the claim with the correct procedure code. They have to tune some procedure code so that the insurance company may accept your bill again. So then I keep hospital bill aside. So total cost is $6,176 for medical expenses, plus the hospital bill is $8,524. First, we'll have to understand how the life insurance work in USA. So this is my plan, 8-hour plan, and there is something called as a deductible, which is a $3,000. That means I have to pay $3,000 first before the insurance company jump in. So once I paid $3,000, let's say my total cost is $6,176 and plus this hospital bill in case the hospital declined the claim, so which means I paid $3,000 from my pocket. Then I have to pay 20% of remaining stuff out of this one, so which means totally it comes around $3,635. and then if they denied the hospital bill, then totally you are supposed to pay $12,159. In case your claim is accepted and then they considering your claim means, so I usually will have to pay $3,000 out of your pocket. $3,000 will be deducted from this specific amount, then you have to pay 20% of the rest of the amount. So it's totally cost me around $5,340. So this is a minimum you're gonna get, this is the maximum you're gonna get. I'm just giving this information for discussion purpose. Okay, if you're planning to have a baby in the 3rd and 4th quarter, which means all your bill will comes under the same year, so you just have to pay $3,000 from out of your pocket, then just 20% of the remaining amount. In case if baby is born in the 1st quarter, then we end up with paying the $6,000 and 20% of the rest of the amount. Let's see how to save the money. If you follow my approach, you will be end up with saving at least $3,600. The idea is have the supplement insurance. From my end, I have chosen for Transamerica Hospital Indemnity plan. So this plan says if any of your family member within a hospital for more than 24 hours, they will be giving $2,400. Okay, this specific supplement insurance that cost me $49 per paycheck, so it comes around $1,183 for whole year. In the return, I got 2 paycheck because mom was in the hospital for 2 days, like 48 hours. As baby also been on hospital for 24 hours, so I'm getting another check for $2,400. So totally I got $4,800 paycheck, and then if you reduce the cost you spend for this specific insurance like $1,200, then you will be end up with the saving $3,600. It's quite interesting, right? So make use of this one. Here are the few tips for you. So plan your baby on 3rd or 4th quarter of the year from insurance perspective, that can saves you a lot of cost. Second one is choose the right clinic, which is a cheap and best. I don't want to comment more on this, but if you choose the bigger hospital, then you have to pay a lot of money. So that keep in your mind and choose the best clinic. Once the claim is get submitted, please always check the procedure code. So there are a lot of mistakes happening, even the service provider and insurance end. So always check the procedure code and make sure that that's the service you got. Keep eye on your out of pocket maximum. That's $3,000 per individual and $6,000 for your family. That keep you plan the stuff accordingly. The next one is try to negotiate with the service provider to get some deal. So if you owe the bill, then probably you can check with the service provider and try to ask for some discount. Actually, it didn't work for me, but it's worth to try. And the last one is contact the service provider to adjust the procedure codes if the claim is got denied. So this is more important. There are some instances the insurance company will say that this specific service will not be eligible to get claim. Okay, in that case, check with your service provider and try to adjust the procedure code. Probably in some point in time it will be get approved. So best of luck on this. That's all from me now. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe. Also share it with your friends. Along with that, please check out my Android native development tutorials in Tamil. English subtitles are available. Thank you so much again.